Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel where we delve deep into the world of freelancing and uncover the secrets to success on platforms like Upwork. So, are you ready to transform your freelance career from zero to hero? So, in this video, we are going to explore the journey of building a thriving freelance career on Upwork, from laying the groundwork to skyrocketing your earnings. So get ready to unleash your full potential and become a hero in the world of online freelancing. So embarking on a freelance career can be daunting, especially when starting from scratch. However, with the right strategies and determinations, you can turn your dreams into reality on platforms like Upwork. So, building a thriving freelance career requires more than just technical skills. It demands a blend of expertise, professionalism, and strategic thinking. So, from crafting a compelling profile to mastering client communication, every step plays a crucial role in your journey from zero to hero. So, through consistent effort and a commitment to excellence, you can establish yourself as a top rated freelancer. So, attracting high-paying clients and exciting opportunities. Join us as we uncover the essential steps and insider tips to propel your freelance career to new heights on Upwork. And there you have it, the roadmap from zero to hero on Upwork. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. So remember, building a thriving freelance career takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right guidance, you can achieve remarkable success. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on freelancing and online entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep hustling and making your dreams into reality. So, thank you so much for watching.